Ang tanong, handa ka bang panindigan ang buhay na gusto mo? Hi guys, welcome back to Real Talk Hustle for today. Real Talk, ang daming may pangarap. Well, lahat naman tayo. Konti lang ang handang panindigan. Kasi ang pangarap, may kasamang responsibility, may kasamang sacrifice, and then accountability. Now, hard truth, the life you want demands a version of you you're not comfortable being with. 3 practical ownership steps. Gawin natin. Number 1, stop blaming the past. Hindi mo control yon, pero control mo ang next move. Number 2, act like the person you say you wanna become. Hindi bukas, ngayon. Number 3, commit even when motivation disappears. Discipline ang tunay na self-love. Tandaan mo, wala nga ayos ng buhay mo kundi ikaw lang. At yan ang pinaka-liberating na katotohanan. I'm Catherine Yucor and you're watching Real Talk Hustle, where we turn pain into power.